How to remove the Capcut ending. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video I will show you guys how you can remove the Capcut ending. So let's get right into the video. If you are really annoyed from the Capcut ending in each of the video, then I am right here with the solution. Firstly, before starting, make sure that your application is updated. Once you do that, open your Capcut application. Now from the project section, select any one of the video where you want to delete the Capcut ending. Once you open your video, at the last of the video here you can see the Capcut ending. Now the simple thing you can do is just click on the Capcut ending and tap on delete option at the toolbar. Once you click on that delete option, the Capcut ending will be deleted. So that's it. In this way you can remove the Capcut ending from your video. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.